Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI A27i. In this video I'll show you how to install stand. In the beginning, prepare this metal piece and now insert it inside the hole at the back of your monitor. Push it until it clicks. And now prepare the stand. This is the stand. And with the stand we have to use two metal screws. Here are the screws and also tool. Now install the stand like this. And screw in the screws. Tighten it. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.